Alicia here, giving you a quick review on this Cosori 6-ounce air fryer. This is amazing because it has so many more cooking options, and the space is what I love the most about this one. Look how much space you have. 6 quarts. You can fry and cook and roast and bake a lot in here. This part is removable. You can take it out. It's dishwasher safe. Both this and this piece are, so it's easy to wash. This is a locking mechanism, and it keeps it that way, and it won't start until it is fully closed. It also has an automatic shut off, and it has all kinds of amazing features. What I also love about this is that it comes with a recipe book with a whole like cooking graph that gives you ways to cook different items in this. Absolutely one of my favorites. I use it all the time. Definitely recommend checking it out.